Hello and good morning guys again. This is Wednesday morning and I am back to my home now after a beautiful short trip, and I'm going for a walk again because I cannot resist staying home all the day, and you can't imagine how beautiful the day is. And I'm going to a same park, a same walking trail and a same lake, but it looks different every day. Here I am taking a beautiful walk, and I'm just thinking about having a new bicycle and going for a cycling every day in this walking trail. That would sound amazing. And I can't wait to get a new bicycle. That's on my go-to list for the next purchase. And anyway, it's a beautiful day. It's good to go for a walk. And apparently I forgot my sunnies. It's gonna be so bright today. Look at that. Every day I keep saying that we all are blessed in every ways. Some of you are blessed to witness this beautiful view. Some of you are blessed by each and everything. We all are blessed to have this wonderful life. I feel so happy when I get out of house, and here I am sharing my happy moment with you all. It's a bit boring because the first word that I say in the morning is with my camera. When you live all alone and when you don't talk to people that much, it's hard to bring out the voice from your mouth. There's a beautiful duck. Is that a swan or a duck? I'm just trying out some fish. Look at the sound of a bird. I mean, can you hear that? All the way down that side and then come back home because my target is 30-minute walk today, so it's gonna take about 15 down there and 15 coming back. I'm gonna show you something. If I had enough money, I'm gonna buy that house. It's for sale. It's like a 3-story house. Looks like it's about 6 or 7 bedroom. It's a huge house. I'm pretty sure it's gonna cost about 2 million because it's just up in the coast and you can have a beautiful lake view. Anyway, I've been thinking about a house lately, and I'm manifesting it. I'm just enjoying the bird sound. My hair has gone so long. I just got up and my face is so puffy today. Enjoying a beautiful walk. There's so many birds in this lake, in these walking trails. You could see pelican, these are the big birds, a lot of seagulls, a lot of cockatoos, bin birds, and many. I can't even explain. It's a beautiful day. There's a small parking lot down there. You can drive your car, park it there and go for a walk. You can take a long walk and then come back, take your car back home, which is very good and convenient for everyone. And I am heading back home. Had a long run. It's not a run, it was just a slow walk, by the way. And with having this stunning view, Lakeside, and enjoying a beautiful fresh morning. I know it's not exact morning, it's gonna be afternoon very soon because I got up late, haven't had anything yet except my coffee, and I'm heading back home now. I'm gonna show you the way. A very calm water. It's a walking trail, and oh my god, that is scary. I just heard something moving on the grass. I know you've been seeing the same thing again and again, but it looks very different every time. Okay, I just remembered something about this state. I heard someone said me that Tasmania is one of the healthiest states in the world in terms of everything. They have a fresh air, everything. And besides that, I'm gonna tell you one secret as well. I don't know if it's real fact or whatever it is, but while I was just taking a walk here just 2 seconds ago, there was something that came in my mind, and I heard some flies, the sound of the flies, and that made me remind what someone said. Okay, so in Tasmania there's no mosquitoes, no flies, or no any kind of bugs. Rarely, probably there's not any. In saying that, they may not have any in sense of not zero. They might have some, but like in a range of a ratio or a statistics, maybe it's under the below range or something. Anyway, that's what I wanted to share, and a lot of people don't understand when I say something, and it's fine. It's a beautiful day, and if you're happy, nothing else matters. This is the favorite part of the walk because you could see everything very openly. There's not a lot of trees, and there's not many shade here as well. And these houses down here, I know they are very happy about it. Just heading back now. I'm gonna show you a beautiful flower down here. I've been here a couple of times, but I get scared to come on my own because I'm scared of snakes. That's one of the beautiful flowers here. There's so many. Oh, that's so many. It's everywhere. And here I am. It's a bit cliffy, like it's a bit up in the hill, but you could see everything. It's a bit scary, gotta watch. If you see breeze down there, that's the entrance. That is the place where we did boating last time. If you go watch my video, I have posted that already, I believe so. That's Tukli down there. When I say it's a different view every day, you could see sun and a cloud, shadows of the cloud in a different way every time, and then the lake looks very different, sometimes pink, sometimes golden, and sometimes very different, which is why I say I love the view. It's very bright and sunny day today, and I can't wait for summer because I'm already scared about it. It's gonna be super hot this summer. This is not even mid of August, and it's already warm. And if you guys thinking of getting out of the house, going for a walk, or taking a little day off and you want something nice for yourself, just go get out for a walk. There's a cute little boy cycling down there. There's a picnic spot. You can do so many things down in here. Anyway, I'm done with my today's walk and I am heading home again. Gonna go have a beautiful breakfast. It's very bright and my eyes are hurting. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye. And the update for today's walk, I went for 16 minutes for one, and then 12 minutes for one, and I still got a few more minutes to reach home. That means it will put me to about 30 roughly. And yeah, so that was a beautiful walk for today, and I'm done for the day. Bye guys, this is a final goodbye. See you until I post the next video. Bye.